Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you don't know the thing said, people. Back again with another exclusive, and just like the title says, Spice, Matey, cause trusting her Rasta for somebody. People, call the ambulance. You see, people, we just can't make these things up, and it's obviously Spice has been going through some things the past couple of days. She's been posting very descriptive captions, and we'll get to those captions later on in the review. But, people, I'm not gonna lie to you, I have the voice recording of a phone conversation, I want to say, or a WhatsApp message. I'm not sure what kind of message it is, but this message was placed to Justin. I have the phone number of the woman in question. I know her name, but I'm not gonna put it out yet. You feel what I'm saying? Because these sucker Jamaican vloggers don't seem to understand. Like, I'm out here putting out fresh news and they're remixing my ish. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're gonna save that phone interview to another date. But before we get into the audio, people, Jaja, saying ain't so. So I'm gonna tell you how I end up got this piece of food, or piece of tea bag for a cup. People, anyway, people, this is how I got this piece of food. So my industry insider said, "Yo, King, quick question. If a woman calls you and say, 'Hey, I don't know why you be like this. I always cared about you and just want to know if you're okay. I'm moving and would like to see you one last time.'" One last time was in quotation marks. And the person said, "King, what's your honest opinion on that statement? LOLPS, there's a mix-up behind it. To be more specific, Spice and Rasta." So you don't know the thing said, people. My response is, it looked like she loved the fuck and not give a fuck about me. You know what I mean? Yeah, she just want the body. You see me, I say. So nevertheless, people. So know the thing said, everything is confidential, even on my industry insiders part. You feel I'm saying? Yeah, so the person said, "Don't ask me how I got this, but it's legit. And that's definitely a BITCH calling wanting some DICK one last time. I should know. Blank, 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 blank. Anyway, her name is... Why, people? Why? Me not gonna call the girl name yet, and I got her phone number. You feel what I'm saying? But before I play you the audio with her, I beg Justin Buddy. The person is saying this as well. From what the person knows about Rasta, he has a lot of hoes that are mad him. You know what I mean? He had/has an older female in Philadelphia he used to sort out. Also, Rasta is sorting out his life, fixing up his homes in Georgia. He's a progressive dude, yeah, because people, Justin, he's doing his thing. He got a show on BET airing June 26th. He got his media production. You know what I mean? So he's a progressive, you know what I mean? He put in a lot of work too back in the day. Just saying. But we know eventually two different cultures will eventually clash, my peep said. Spice doesn't know how to let a man be a man in a relationship, and that's her downfall. Plus, the Rasta has a thing for light-skinned women. Now, with that being said, people, let's listen to this piece of Hatia, boy. Oh, before I forget, I true me say me not call the girl name, but me forget to the girl call her name in the audio. Duh. 'Cause Justin got a lot of hoes, so they gotta let themselves know. You feel I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, and this is a super exclusive. So nobody let me see this pan. Nobody bomb cloud channel, you know. Come industry insider said them have something for one for like take my content and not like give me credit. What kind of journalist who no claim on be pirate who no? Yes, my industry insider said them have something for one. So I'm keep on pirate my blood clot thing. Let's proceed.
Hey Justin, it's Sarah. I don't know why you're ignoring me like this, but if you could just reach back out to me, at least let me know you're okay. You know, I have always cared about you, so I do plan on moving, so I would like to see you one last time. But you can just call me back, please, because now I'm feeling like a psycho.
Jano, people, don't forget to hit the like button because if we don't start seeing 1,000 likes run yourself, we're not gonna drop the exclusive them. You feel I'm saying? Yeah, if you wanna like it up 1,000 times, I drop a next one today. You feel me? But people, put in the comment section what you think about this X. It sounds like of Justin. You see me? I say, sound like she want the sex, you know? She find out say the queen is single, so she want to know if Justin is ready to mingle. You feel I'm saying, people? But no, people, seriously, we have to talk about a few things because, like I said, Spice is being very straightforward in her captions. She's just not letting us know who she's talking about. And honestly, I don't think she got time for Shensia. You feel I'm saying? Don't think Spice have time for Shensia. So I don't think Spice is dragging her in these captions. And remember, said Justin did fling up some caption as well. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to look at Spice caption. Then we're going to look at Justin's caption. And then we're going to look at Spice caption again. You feel me? Yes. So the other day, Justin put in his story, I want to get married once. No divorce and no cheating. And just us till the end. And you don't know the things that him page did vanish and all of these things. And his page reappeared, but we don't see him liking none of Spice's pictures. We not see him liking him the Wendy Williams shows, the Good Morning America. Hold on. Let me slow up. Not the Wendy Williams shows. I mean the Jimmy Kimmel show and the Good Morning America because she said she was single on Wendy's show. And then we seen Spice put up her caption. One thing with me, I'm the same person on and off Instagram. Let's settle this within. Because some people only act a certain way for the gram. Hashtag never fake. Boy, people, boy. A lot of people is Spice and the Rasta relationship was fake from the begin with. You feel I'm saying? And it was just a love and hip hop thing or a green card thing or the Rast looking at money out of Spice thing and to get his business name out there popping for his media camera thing. You feel I'm saying? But Spice put up another descriptive caption, and like I said, people, she can't be talking about Shensia. You know what I mean? Shensia is no threat to Spice. They're on two different levels, two different paths. You feel I'm saying? The both of them got what they got. So let us take a look at her next caption and see if we can figure some things out. She said, I wish people was like money so we can hold them up to the light and identify the counterfeit ones, meaning the fake ones. Happy Sunday, besties. To say I love you guys is now an understatement. We went from Good Morning America to Jimmy Kimmel, wrapped with Wendy Williams show yesterday, and now she's heading back to Atlanta for Love and Hip Hop. Can't ever complain. My album 10 drops July 30th. So like I said, people, she started off with I wish people was like money so we can hold them up to the light and identify the counterfeit ones, the fake ones. People put in the comment section who Spice is talking about. Is it the Rasta, Shensia, Pretty, TC, Dancing Shitty Pebbles, Rita Fish Boy, I I highly doubt she's thinking about nothing. You feel what I'm saying? But I was just giving you that quick update, people. Spice, Matey, Carl, Justin, for somebody. You feel what I'm saying? This is a super exclusive. If you see this else anywhere on people's page, please put my name in their comment section so I get all the credit. You feel what I'm saying? Because these suckud people love run with my rascal stories, you know. Pussy all on that. Hey. So don't forget, people, 1,000 likes, please, to get the videos out there, and hit the notification bell and press all for the latest in dancehall. Bless up on this.